Hey guys, Serge here, and in today's video I will show you what are the crucial steps to actually have show up rate through the roof. So like 70, 80, even 90% of show up rate on your meetings. So the first thing you have to know is while you are actually doing outreach. So when you're, for example, doing cold calling for SMMA, during this 1-2 minute conversation, after actually scheduling a meeting with your prospect, you have to repeat on the call at least 3 times the date and time of the meeting. So for example, when you're talking to the John, yeah, John, so what's the best time to actually hop on a quick meeting where I will show you just briefly how our system works? Then let's say John says Monday 10 a.m. So what you are saying, you're constantly repeating the date and time of the meeting just to make sure that this date and time will be completely down in the core of his mind and he won't be able to forget about it and he will about the meeting forever because you just repeated so many times date and time of the meeting. So you're saying, okay, John, let me check my schedule. Monday, 10 a.m. You're just checking if you are free on Monday, 10 a.m. Then you're saying, yes, John, perfect. Monday, 10 a.m. is the perfect time I am free. So right now I'm scheduling on Monday, 10 a.m. And what's the best email to reach out to you? How about that? Okay, perfect. So, John, see you on Monday, 10 a.m., right? Yes, right. Okay, John, see you Monday, 10 a.m. Bye-bye. As you can see, you're just naturally repeating date and time of the meeting to just make sure that you will just go to the roots of this date and time into the mind of your prospects. And it will actually naturally allow you to get higher show up rate because you just repeated the date and time so many times that they won't be able to forget about it ever. And also you have to sound excited because just imagine humans are emotional beings. So like, of course we have like spiritual mind, physical body, but most of the time we have emotions. So when you sound excited, when you have the correct tonality, they just purely because of the emotions, because of how excited you truly are about the meeting, how like you cannot really wait, like how you are looking forward talking to them and showing how like you can change their life in a positive way. When you will leave such an impact on your prospect's mind, they will hop on a meeting just purely because they told you so. So if John said that he will attend the meeting on Monday 10 a.m., he will join the meeting just purely to not make a 20-year-old boy cry. You just left a scar in his mind, in his body, that purely if you won't join the meeting, you might do self-harm or like whatever. You just have to join the meeting because you frame it in the way that you can potentially change their life if they are, of course, fit in the first place, right? So we're like not pitching people who you cannot help and you're just not taking money from them if you know that you won't deliver the results. So repeat at least 3 times about the meeting on a call and sound excited, frame it the correct way. You have to position yourself in the correct way. And when you're booking people doing cold DMs and emails, you have to also share the excitement. So for example, I cannot wait for our meeting. I'm looking forward meeting you. I'm so excited meeting you. You have to somehow show excitement and also need to use scarcity and urgency. So for example, yes, please make sure that you will hop on a meeting with me because I have 20 other people in a line waiting for a meeting with me. So it's like no BS, limited spots, working only with 5 people. Then you're taking 5 people on the board, making sure that you will deliver the results for them. So you have to somehow position this meeting in a way that they will be urgent, that they will have to attend the meeting, that they will have to schedule it as fast as possible. You need to schedule meetings maximum 5, like even 4 days in the future. So if you're like booking meetings in 2 weeks, no one will ever remember about it. You have to make sure that you will schedule meetings as soon in the future as possible because like human, it's like pretty normal that you will forget about the meeting that you scheduled in 2 weeks. Even though you have reminders, everything, schedule it in the future ASAP. Second thing is while you are recording of VSL, and I won't show you my VSL because it will become saturated. And my VSL completely changed the trajectory of how my agency is scaled. And it allows me to just have on the meetings purely qualified people who I am not asking whether they want to buy my service or not. I'm just asking them which card they want to use. Purely because of my VSL, because of the social proof I am showing them, because my service, company, everything I have. And also I'm positioning this meeting in a VSL as the most important thing in their life. So after watching my VSL, it is like the day of like the marriage, the day of like the, anything in their life, it's not important. this meeting that they will attend with me is the most important thing in their life that can leave an impact to the rest of the days in their life and completely change everything they have. So also scarcity. Tell in the end that please make sure that you will hop on a meeting because you are working only in one person at the location. So there's purely location exclusivity with people you have on board. And also you can only work at 2 gyms at the time, and you have 20 gym owners that want to work with you. So just, make perceived value of yourself so high and do so much scarcity, so much urgency that they will have to schedule a meeting ASAP, and they will have to hop on this meeting to not get their opportunity stolen. And last but of course not least, because probably it's one of the most important things when you actually want to have 70% show up rate, are reminders. So actually, after you book the meeting, what I am doing right now to have over 70% show up rate for my agency, and this 30% are just purely people who are not a fit for me because I have VSL. I'm, for example, saying that I'm not working right now purely on the commission because we are this legitimate, reliable company and we stopped working on the commission. There's a retainer model you're paying. There is a small setup fee. So I'm just getting rid of all these cheap people who want to work on a commission, that they want to pay the referral fee. They don't have money to pay for the advertisement. I'm just filtering out everything, and I'm just hopping on a meeting with purely qualified people who actually know me in the first place, who are familiar with my face, with my voice, everything. And what I'm doing, if me, my cold callers team, appointment setter scheduled a meeting for my agency, I've created a special site, just purely one link, not anything else. They just have to schedule a meeting here. So for example, let's say John scheduled Monday in, let's say, GMT -5 time zone at 10 a.m. So they are just, 10 a.m. is right now occupied, but let's just say 1 p.m. My team is just selecting this date. Here they have to, just fill up the spots with their first name, last name, email, phone number. They have to confirm that they want to receive content from this company, and then they will be automatically added to my automation on Go High Level. So in Go High Level, as you can see, there is automation called appointment reminder. Trigger is when the customer booked appointment. So using the site I showed you in a second, you just have to fill up these spots with the name, with the information, and they will be automatically added to this automation. You can also add another trigger when I just have tag appointment reminder. So for example, you just have let's say John said that he has to reschedule a meeting. So then you're not adding him again to this automation, but you can just purely add the tag or get rid of the tag so that they won't be in this automation. You just have to, use either this website or have tag. Website is working because you need date and time of the meeting. So purely using that tag won't get you anywhere because Go High Level will have no idea at what time you have a meeting. So as you can see, after the book meeting, I am sending them the reminder called hi, first name, this is friendly reminder about your upcoming appointment with Jake, date, time, location, watch this video before a call, here's my VSL, and we are excited to see you. If you have any questions or need to reschedule, please let us know. We are excited to see you. You are frame warming. You are just making them attend this meeting. You are showing your excitement. You are showing everything. You are sharing your deep down emotions that you truly want to have them on the meeting. Of course, if they have any questions maybe about the VSL, maybe they have to reschedule, you don't want to keep your finger crossed and, I pray that they will attend my meeting. No, if they have to reschedule, just please tell them to let you know so that you won't set up Zoom meeting, so that you won't prepare yourself, so that you just won't waste your time. And why actually it is so important to make sure that your show up rate is as high as possible? Just purely because higher show up rate, more people on the meeting, more cross deals, more money for you. It's just domino effect. If you have shitty show up rate, you won't close as many meetings, you won't make as much money, you won't have as many social proof in a short period of time that will actually allow you to leverage in the future. So the more people you have on board, the more service delivery you are fulfilling, the more testimonials you have in the future, the more you can leverage it and actually close more people on board with you. So you're sending both email and SMS. As you can see, same here, also link to the video. Of course, if they have any questions or need to reschedule, they just have to let you know. Then you're waiting, as you can see here, like 4 people waiting. And what you're doing, waiting till event appointment time. Of course, it is 1 day before a meeting, so skip all outbound communication actions till next wait, because like for let's say the meeting you've scheduled is in a shorter time than 1 day, they won't get this reminder. It's like logical. Next email, just reminder, 1 day, date, time, location, VSL. I am so excited. If you have any questions, please let us know. You just have to make sure that they will attend this meeting and join you. Then you're waiting 12 hours before a meeting, another reminder. And why you don't want to use Calendly? Because Calendly is more like robotic. Calendly is most of the time landing in the spam, and here you're just using your normal email or like special domain for just reminders. So you also have to land in the main post, not in a spam. So that's why you're also using Go High Level for that, or like at least I'm using a meeting in an hour. Watch this video, of course. Cannot wait. Looking forward meeting you soon. Just making sure that they will remember about it. That's why you're sending plenty automations, plenty reminders, both email, SMS, and then you are sending last 10 minutes before a call. Also making sure we have a meeting in 10 minutes. Watch this video before a call. Looking forward to meeting you soon. Best regards. So all automation, as you can see, is not that complex. You just have to set it up once, and then your show up rate will completely skyrocket. These few simple crucial steps will completely skyrocket your show up rate, which will result in signing more deals, getting more people on board, and making more money. So guys, I hope this video was useful. In the description in the video, you will have free 30K month assets that will change your beliefs, that will give you source how to do the outreach, how to act on a sales call, and what to do. So if you want to click on that, you can. It's completely for free. And if you want to scale your agency, coaching, consulting past multiple 5 digits monthly, just send me a DM on IG and we will work one-on-one. If not, then no, then feel free, stack at 0 or like your 5K. And guys, that's it for today. So thank you and peace.